Good afternoon, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Saturday, June 24th, 2023, 4 p.m. This is a Fanimation drone. It was actually a gift from Tom Frampton, the CEO of Fanimation. It's a pretty neat fan. It runs on DC power. It has an AC-DC converter, and I've always just loved the look of these. It almost looks like an industrial. So if you know me, you know I like my industrial fans. So has the remote, and you hit the up button, and that'll make the fan start. And a little bit of a hesitation before starting. That's just that's just the nature of a DC motor. But it does use less electricity that way. Now this is actually as high as it will go, but I assure you it is moving a ton of air because of the shape of the blades, the pitch of them. It doesn't look like it's moving all that fast, but yeah, it is moving a very decent amount of air. And now for the spin down, I'm just going to hit that fan button in the middle. Yeah, it's funny because I got this a number of years ago, and the batteries inside the remote were dead. So I found another package with 2 batteries, and those were both barely, this was flickering, so it would barely do anything. So I ended up running over to batteries and bulbs and picking up a new set of batteries, and now it worked fine. So hopefully I'm going to take these out, and hopefully it'll last a little while. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.